Welcome at Maths Form 4, Topic Progression, Lesson 2, Question. Step 1, collect what is given. First three terms of an AP is K, 2K plus 1, 5K minus 1. And the question is asking, find the value of K. So what they ask, we put question mark and we start from what they ask. They are asking K. We go to the AP that has K. So we're going to start from the AP, which was K, 2K plus 1 and 5K minus 1. The second term we put brackets, third term put brackets, and this was the first three terms, which means all these three terms we have to label it as T1, T2, T3. And if you remember, if you are given consecutive terms, the formula is T3 minus T2, T3 minus T2 is equal T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1. So all we have to do now is substitute T3, 5K minus 1. That would be 5K minus 1 in brackets minus T2, 2K plus 1 in brackets 2K plus 1 equals again T2. So again is 2K plus 1 minus finally is T1, which is K. Okay? Don't forget that this T3 minus T2, it is actually equals to the common difference D. T2 minus T1 is also equals to the common difference D. Maybe we will use this later, okay? So T3 minus T2 is D. T2 minus T1 is also D. Okay, we continue. On the left hand side, now would become 5K minus 1. The negative you multiply inside, which become minus 2K minus 1. Right hand side, 2K plus 1 minus K. We collect the K term, 5K minus 2K. That would give us 3K. And minus 1 give us minus 2 equals 2K minus K. That would give us K. And then finally plus 1. Plus 1. Keep in mind that this left hand side and right hand side is actually the common difference D. Next, now we collect. We have 3K and K. Transfer the K to the left hand side, which I will get 3K minus K. So the 3K and K settle. On the right hand side, I have 1 and then the negative 2 transfer, it would become positive 2. Finally, 3K minus K is 2K equals 1 plus 2 is 3. So now, transfer the 2 to the right hand side. I will get K equals to 3 over 2, which is our answer. So we have done the first part. Okay? Our answer K 3 over 2. Second part, the question asking, find the sum of the first 7 terms. First 7 terms. So the B part, they are asking sum of the first 7 terms, and the sum first 7 term is of course is S7. They are asking S, we will use the formula Sn for AP. I write down the formula is n over 2 brackets 2a plus n minus 1d. So now S7 it was n over 2, so 7 over 2 brackets 2a plus n minus 1, so 7 minus 1 would be 6d. We can simplify. The 2 and 6 can divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. It would be 3. So now we have S7 is 7 brackets A plus 3D. Now, the last equation is telling us, if I want to find S7, I need A and D. So we need to find the A and D. We go back to our original AP, which was, if you look in the beginning, K, 2K plus 1, 5K minus 1. I'm going to copy back. It was K, 2K plus 1, and 5K minus 1. This was the first term, T1, which is equal to A. This is the second term, T2. We only need the first two terms. We only need the first two terms. So now A that we are looking for is same as T1, same as K. When we already have our K was 3 over 2. So our A is 3 over 2. So we got the first part. Next, we need to find the D. If you remember, D was T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2. We take the simple one. So now D, our T2 is 2K plus 1. 2K plus 1 minus our T1 was K. So from here, the D is 2K minus K will give us K. So that part is settled. And then plus 1. Now we got our D. All we have to do is substitute the K, which was, the K was 3 over 2. 3 over 2 plus 1. And of course, this 3 over 2 plus 1 is same as 3 over 2 plus 2 over 2. The 1 I changed to 2 over 2. So finally we got our D, that is 5 over 2. Here, 5 over 2. So we got our A, and we have our D. Now we reverse back. To our S7. 7 plus A plus 3D. So our S7, 7 brackets A plus 3D. So that will be A plus 3D. Now we substitute all the values, that's all. Our A, 3 over 2, 3 over 2 plus 3, and our D was 5 over 2. That would be 5 over 2. That's all. Now, we do what is inter brackets, 7. This is 3 over 2 plus 3 times 5 is 15. That is 15 over 2. So inside the brackets, that would give us, inside the brackets, 15 plus 3, 18 over 2. And we know that 18 over 2 is 9. So finally, our S7, 7 times 9, that is 63, which is our answer. So this is the first question, our answer, S7, 63, our answer. Thank you. I see you on the next lesson.